In today's world, many people are confused about love, attraction, and what men and women truly want from one another. We live in a time where the lines between masculine and feminine have been blurred, and often it seems like men and women are at war instead of walking side by side. But deep down, in the very core of human nature, there is a timeless truth that continues to shine through the noise of modern culture. Masculine men love feminine women. This is not just an opinion or a cultural tradition. It is something built into the very design of life, and when understood properly, it changes the way both men and women experience relationships. The first thing to understand is that attraction is not random. It's not about luck, or only about looks, or about money, or status. Although these things may play a role on the surface, true attraction runs much deeper than appearances. It is about polarity, the natural magnetism between masculine and feminine energy. Just as the north and south poles of a magnet pull toward one another, masculine energy and feminine energy are designed to attract. When a man is strong, grounded, and rooted in his masculine nature, he naturally desires the presence of a woman who is soft, radiant, and alive in her feminine. That combination creates harmony, passion, and balance. The problem we face today is that many women have been told to abandon their femininity in order to succeed. Society often tells women that to be powerful, they must become more masculine, more aggressive, more dominant, more competitive. On the other side, many men are being told to soften their masculinity, to become more passive, more agreeable, and more safe. While there is nothing wrong with men or women expressing different sides of themselves, the result of this confusion is that many relationships lack polarity. Women feel they must compete with men instead of inspire them. Men feel they must suppress their strength instead of embrace it. And what happens? The spark between them disappears. Attraction fades, respect is lost, and love begins to feel heavy instead of natural. Think about it. How many times have you seen couples where the man seems frustrated and the woman feels unloved, where arguments replace intimacy and both sides feel unfulfilled? Much of this comes down to a loss of polarity. When men no longer stand strong in their masculinity, women don't feel safe. When women no longer express their femininity, men don't feel inspired. Without that sacred dance between masculine and feminine, relationships turn into partnerships of convenience, not partnerships of passion. So, what exactly is femininity? Many people misunderstand this word. Femininity is not weakness, and it's not about being passive or silent. True femininity is a form of power. It is the power of softness, beauty, creativity, nurturing, and emotional depth. A feminine woman is not powerless. She is magnetic. She radiates warmth, she uplifts others with her presence, and she creates an atmosphere that draws masculine energy toward her. When a woman embraces her femininity, she doesn't compete with her man. She inspires him to be greater. Masculine men love feminine women because femininity allows them to fully step into their own role. A masculine man wants to protect, provide, and lead. But he cannot do this if he is with a woman who is constantly trying to take the wheel, challenge his every move, or compete with him as though he were an opponent instead of a partner. A feminine woman is not threatened by a man's strength. She welcomes it. She appreciates his effort. She admires his discipline, and she respects his masculine presence. This doesn't mean she has no voice or no independence. On the contrary, her independence shines brighter when it is supported by her ability to trust, to surrender, and to embrace the flow of life, instead of constantly trying to control it. Now, here's the beauty of this balance. Feminine women don't just make masculine men feel stronger, they actually bring out the best version of them. When a man comes home from a world that demands constant toughness, discipline, and competition, the presence of a feminine woman is like a healing balm. Her softness calms him, her laughter recharges him, and her love reminds him of why he fights so hard in the first place. Without femininity, the masculine has no reason to exist. Without the feminine, the masculine becomes cold, rigid, and lifeless. But when the feminine is present, the masculine comes alive. At the same time, women benefit just as much when they embrace their feminine energy. When a woman chooses to step into her femininity, she feels lighter, freer, and more authentic. She doesn't have to carry the weight of being both man and woman. She doesn't have to exhaust herself trying to lead every battle. She can finally relax into her natural role, knowing that she has a strong man beside her who is capable of carrying the load. Feminine energy flourishes when it is supported by the strength of the masculine, and masculine energy shines when it is met with the beauty of the feminine. This is the true meaning of the alpha and the omega, opposites that complete one another. But let us be honest, reclaiming this balance is not always easy. Many women fear that embracing femininity will make them look weak or submissive. Many men fear that embracing masculinity will make them look controlling or toxic. These fears come from years of misunderstanding and social conditioning. The truth is, masculinity is not domination. It is responsibility. And femininity is not submission. It is trust. When men and women understand this, everything changes. The solution begins with awareness. Women who want to attract strong masculine men must first understand that their greatest power lies in their femininity, not in trying to outmatch men at their own game. This doesn't mean abandoning their ambitions or independence. It means expressing them through their natural energy instead of against it. A woman can be intelligent, successful, and strong while still being soft, nurturing, and radiant. In fact, the more she embraces her feminine essence, the more her strengths shine in a way that men admire. For men, the solution is to reclaim their own masculinity unapologetically. A man who is firm in his purpose, who lives with discipline, and who protects what he loves, creates the space for a woman to be feminine. Without masculine structure, feminine energy feels unsafe. Without feminine warmth, masculine energy feels empty. Both are needed, and both must respect one another. When this balance is restored, relationships no longer feel like battles. They feel like dances. The masculine leads with strength and clarity, while the feminine follows with grace and intuition. Together, they create something greater than themselves. This is why masculine men love feminine women, because it is in the presence of femininity that their masculinity finds meaning. And it is in the presence of masculinity that femininity feels free to blossom. At the end of the day, attraction is not complicated. Masculine men are not looking for a rival. They are looking for a complement. They are not looking for someone to fight against. They are looking for someone to fight for. And women who embrace their femininity are not giving up power. They are stepping into a higher kind of power, one that is magnetic, irresistible, and eternal. This truth has been known for centuries, but it has been buried under modern confusion. It is time to bring it back to light. Men and women are not meant to compete. They are meant to complete one another. The masculine and the feminine are two halves of the same whole, two energies that when united create harmony, love, and life itself. And that is why masculine men love feminine women, because in them they find the other half of their soul. If you made it until here, leave a crown emoji in the comments. I want to see how many of you make it until the end and finish what you start. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay strong.